Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 update not installing error, and the error code you will see on screen is KB5070311. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting Windows 11 update error 24H2 or 25H2 and the error code is KB5070311, then I will show you couple of steps you can take and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just open the services, click on the search, then type here services. You can see here services, click on the services. In this, you have to find Windows update service, click any one of the service, then press W key, then scroll down. Here you can see Windows update, double click on that. Here this service startup type should be automatic. Then click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After that, just close this window. Then click on the search again, then type here troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot setting. Here you will find other troubleshooters, click on this. In this you can see here Windows update, just click on this run. And if there is any problem, it will detect automatically and fixes these issues. After completion of this, just close this window, then open the CMD. You have to just run this CMD as an administrator. Just click on the search, then type here CMD, then right click on that, then click on run as administrator. After that, here you type one of the command. In this you type fc space /scan now. After that, you need to hit enter. After, it will take some time to complete the 100%. After that, it will take some time to complete the 100% of process. After completion of this, again you have to open the CMD. Then you need to type second command, that is dim space /online space /cleanup -image space restore health. Then hit enter. After that, you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After that, you have to try it again. If your issue doesn't resolve, so what you have to do, you have to just open your Chrome browser. You have to type download Windows 11. Click the first from the, it is Microsoft official website. You need to scroll down. You need to select the operating system, then click on download. The ISO file will be downloaded. After that, you need to create bootable pen drive of Windows 11. After creating bootable, you have to reinstall your operating system. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 update error, and the error code you will see on screen is KB5070311. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.